Nike sets the tone for the upcoming season with the Shox R4 Bright Ceramic, a sneaker steeped in fall energy. Sporting a pumpkin-inspired bright ceramic hue on its sidewalls, it evokes classic autumn staples like scented candles and seasonal drinks. Complementing this vibrant orange, black overlays on the tongue and toe cap deliver sleek contrast, enhancing everyday wearability. Breaking from tradition, the Shox heel pillars arrive in a toned-down metallic dark gray, dialing back the usual boldness for a more refined aesthetic. This fall-forward edition slots into a broader Nike seasonal rollout that includes similarly hued Air Max 90 and Air Force 1 models. Though no release date is set, the $155 price tag is confirmed. Expect the Shox R4 Bright Ceramic to arrive just in time for the cozy months, blending nostalgic Halloween hues with modern lifestyle appeal.